Welcome to Cooking Conspiracy, as we do Ika Butter Yaki, or squid in a butter soy sauce. Real simple. You get your squid, have a little bit of garlic, some green onions, soy sauce, and butter. Okay, so you'll clean your squid, and I call this the pull-out method. It's usually a good strategy. It doesn't work every time, but it appears to have worked this time. Just getting rid of the, you can't really see it, but the cartilage in there. Here we go. See, pull that out. Nice little half-inch rings here. Give these a quick rinse off because I don't know who's been touching that, and that's why I pulled it out. Okay, see, clean. Okay, you got your pan preheated. Your butter goes in. Careful not to burn it. Turn the heat down a little bit. Butter will burn fast. Be careful. Butter's melted, it's foamy. Garlic goes in. Now you're waiting until you really smell the garlic to put your squid in. Okay, once the garlic, you can really smell it. Squid goes in. This is a quick moving recipe. It only takes a few minutes. And goes your soy.